Hi you guys, it's your girl Fabulous Faith and welcome back to another video. Today we're doing my more extended makeup routine, so let's hop right into it. I'm going to start off by briefly showing you the products that I'm going to be using for this more extended makeup routine, and then I'll take you step by step as we complete my makeup look. Let's go. The first product I'm going to be starting off with is the Sae Beauty Glowy Super Gel in the shade Rose Glow. This is a new launch from them and I really like this one. It really just preps my face and starts my face off with a nice glowy look before I start going in with my foundation product. Next up we have the Danessa Myricks Blurring Balm Powder in the shade number 7. I have really been loving this product. It has Upsilite in it, which really helps to absorb oils if you're an oily girl. I have been using this as my foundation all summer long and it gives me great results. It reminds me of like a tinted moisturizer but more of a powder form, and it leaves my skin looking flawless. Like, this is my one product that I have been using for foundation. Shade number 7 matches me so well and it's very buildable, so I put on a couple layers of this. My skin doesn't feel cakey and then I'm ready to go into the next step of my routine. Now I'm going in with concealer. Lately I've been loving the Sephora collection Best Skin Ever Full Coverage Multi-Use Concealer in the shade 33.5Y. I love that it's easy to blend and I love the shade that I picked out. It's not too brightening, but it gives my under eyes just a nice little lightening lift that I might need. So I blend that out with a sponge and I am good to go. And any harsh lines that I might have, I go in with the other side of my sponge where I used to apply the Danessa Myricks product and kind of just blur out those harsh lines that I might have had from concealer. Then my next step is blush. Lately I've been using the Lawless Pinch My Cheeks Soft Blur Cream Blush in the shade Valentine, but it just depends on the day that I might switch it up. But in this particular video I was using the shade Valentine. It's like a cute fuchsia pink that blurs out really well and matches my skin complexion really well. So I've really been loving this one. I've been getting away from orange blushes, but this is definitely the next step in my routine. Then again here, if I notice I apply too much blush, I go in with the same sponge I used to apply the Danessa Myricks and kind of just melt everything together and kind of tone down my blush look. Then if I have a little extra time, I'll just go in with the spoolie to really just kind of fluff out my eyebrows. I don't fill them in or anything, just a nice little fluff to kind of get all the hairs going in the right place, and then that's it for me for eyebrows. Then I do a setting spray moment to lock all those cream products into place before going in with powders. My next step is powder, just to set kind of underneath my eyes and where my glasses sit on my face. Lately I've been using the Air Set Translucent Medium Radiant Loose Setting Powder from Sae Beauty. I'm trying to figure out which powders work best with my skin type or what powders are best for whatever needs, but I'm still learning that one. But this is the powder I've been using lately with the Real Techniques setting brush. So this is what I do: set underneath my eyes where I have my concealer and right around my nose where I know my glasses are going to sit and I know my makeup kind of lifts. I haven't figured out how to deal with that, but we're learning. So that's the next step, powder. After all that, you can't forget about a good little lip gloss. Lately, I have been absolutely loving the Lawless Forget the Filler. This is the particular shade in Daisy Pink. I go in between Daisy Pink, Cherry Vanilla, Juicy Watermelon, whatever I'm feeling for the day, girl. Last but not least, I go in with setting spray. I use the Revolution Super Hold Misting Spray around my oily T-zone, and then I go in with the e.l.f. Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray to set the rest of my face to kind of give it a satin finish and kind of control the oils where I need it to be controlled. Then this is the final look immediately after setting spray. I know it looks a little extra dewy, so I have to give it a few minutes to calm down before I put my glasses on, but girl, she is cute, okay? Then voila, this is the completed look of my makeup routine. When I have a little bit of extra time, I like to go in with these extra products to kind of complete the look, but this is my more extended makeup routine look. Let me know in the comments if you like this look and if this video was helpful. But I hope you like this video and I hope to see you in the next one, because over here we're fabulous, flourishing, and having fun. Bye.